Retigala, the great monastery. This is our video from Anuradhapura to Retigala. Subscribe us if you have not yet done, and we will share with you the critical areas and the mysterious things about Retigala and all over the world. This is a hospital kind of thing. In the middle of Retigala climbing, you will meet this area. And you can see these steps. These steps are sized to a normal human being's foot. We thought actually those were created by giants. If that is the case, they should have definitely increased these step sizes. But that is not the case. The hospital which we referred earlier and the outer wall of that, entirely created by using stones, huge stone cubes they have put each other. A bed kind of thing, certain cleft you can see in the middle of that bed. It may be mostly to get the medicine or whatever liquid medicine out and inside the swimming pool, medicine swimming pool, and outer flow of that, the waste water or whatever excess water with medicine, the medicined water they have taken out from this way. Two gullies we can see. This is the flow area, and under the flow area, gully system is working today also. And another grinder kind of thing. Definitely they may have used this for grinding or mixing medicines. Some dark areas we can see. Most probably they may have melted those things. When medicine is on the top, the liquid kind of thing may have been taken out by using these holes. This hole actually cannot be done nowadays without having huge technology or sophisticated technology. If it is by using wooden form, then you will be able to do that. And hardness factor of this stone also may be high, because after 2500 years those remain the same after having used so many times. And darkness areas may reflect the accretes of medicines or else some melting activities. Another grinder kind of thing. Two plates we can see clearly, and in the middle of those two plates they may have put certain medicines, and they have turned those things strong basin. Today also you can see some water in the middle of that. See these stone cubes. They have turned those stone cubes without cutting straight away. They have turned and they have linked those another stone tank or something. See, they are linking of those stone cubes. Easily they could have linked those things by cutting straight away corners, but that is not the case. See the mysterious things of these things. We are talking with you, we are sharing with you the secrets of these mysterious. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. We will meet you again with such kind of mysterious things and important secrets of the world and Sri Lanka. Visit Sri Lanka and have the experience.